Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on or how to turn off the VBS in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, please type on settings at the bottom search bar. And the moment the best match would appear, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings easily. So once you are here, please proceed at the left side of the screen and look for Privacy and Security. Tap on it and proceed with the first category, which is Security, and look for Windows Security, which contains the antivirus, the browser, the firewall, and network protection for your device. So click on it, and once you have clicked on it, please proceed on this option at the upper side of that. Go with Open Windows Security so that you would be able to be navigated to the Windows Security Defender application. Once you are here, you can now close the settings so that you can focus on this one. So here, you need to proceed at the left side of that and proceed with device security. And the device security is being composed of three components, and that are core isolation, security processor, and security boot. And we need to proceed with core isolation, okay, and look for core isolation details. Okay, so click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to see the memory integrity. So the memory integrity is the VBS. Okay. Now the reason why we want to turn it on, if you'd like to turn it on, in my case it is already being turned on, it will prevent your computer from attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. So if you're using your laptop into a critical way, if you're using it into business purposes, so I would recommend you to turn on the VBS or the memory integrity, because it will help you to protect from any malware or from any virus or attacks that might cause or that might insert or that might be in, okay, here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So turn it on. In my case, it is already being turned on. And if your Windows would ask you to restart the computer in order to complete the procedure. Okay? So, but if you would like to, however, on the contrary, if you'd like to turn off the memory integrity, especially if you are love playing games in your Windows or computer, I would suggest to turn it off. Okay? So turn it off, and your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. Okay, and here there would be a notification which says this change requires you to restart your device. All you need to do is you need to click on restart, and the moment you do that, you would be able to restart your computer, and the moment you relaunch your computer again, there you have that, you would be able to successfully turn off the VBS or the memory integrity here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.